This training will briefly cover approval of environmental documents within the district and generation of environmental certificates. I'm logged in as the District Environmental Manager for my district, and I want to approve projects that have been submitted for approval. On the left-hand side menu, I choose Projects Needing Approval and click on District Signatures. Here I see Type 1 CE and Type 2 CE projects that need to be approved. To review project information, I can click on the FM number and look at the project page. To perform the review, I click on the Review button on the far right column. The appropriate checklist page loads with the project information shown. Review the contents of the checklist form and scroll down to the Approval section. Here the choices are Approved as a Type 1 categorical exclusion or Need More Information. If I select Need More Information, I need to provide a comment so my project input editors can update the project accordingly. Or if everything's in order, I'll click Approved as a Type 1 categorical exclusion and click Submit. I received two notices at the top, one confirming that the project's been approved, and the second reminding me that the environmental certification is the next step. I can click the link here to launch the project certification page. It's pre-populated with most of the information that I need. I'll make my approval selection and click the Approve button. I see a saved message in the upper right corner, and now if I go to my project page, I see a document of type Status of Environmental Certification for Federal Project, Approved, with a link to a PDF of the environmental certification. I can submit this environmental certification for funding for the project. A second way to get to the environmental certification form is through a link in an email that you would receive when the project is submitted for approval. If you have any questions about district approval of Type 1 and Type 2 CEs or generating environmental certifications, you can contact the Office of Environmental Management Help Desk. You can reach us by email using swept@fla-etac.org or call us during business hours at 850-414-5334.